Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete a WordPress page. Why would you want to know how to delete a WordPress page? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to delete a WordPress page. So today I am going to show you how to delete a WordPress page. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting a WordPress page is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will delete a WordPress page. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to pages in the left menu and then click on all pages. Now here are my all pages and I want to delete this page. So first click on trash and now click on trash in the upper section and then click on delete permanently. Now your page has been deleted. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete a WordPress page, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.